On September 20, 2015, at the Robinson's Place, Las Piñas Activity Area, the National Cheerleading Championship South Luzon Regional Qualifier took place.
For this leg of the regionals, the teams are actually very, very good. Most of them, if not all of them, lagi silang part ng top 3 teams in the division. We expect the skills to be more difficult and for the routines to be cleaner. And they always deliver naman every time we go to South Luzon.
Siyempre po, kabado po, nervous. Kasi kahit matagal na po kami nagko-compete sa NCC, siyempre meron po mga bagong ipapakita, meron mga bagong ilalabas yung mga competitors.
Sa buong training, sa buong araw, nagkakaaway-away kami, nagkakatalo-talo kami, ano ba ito, ano bang gagawin dito? At the end of the day, isa pa rin kami.
As expected, the competition was fierce, and only the ones who stood out made the cut.
Sobrang saya. Ngayon po okay na kasi sobrang iyak na kanina. Sobrang thankful po ay God dahil nakuha pa rin namin po.
The next qualifier will be for schools in the southern Philippines as the NCC heads to General Santos City.